In the heart of Yellowstone, winter is a test of strength. For wolves, weakness means death.
The elk herd moves peacefully through the morning snow, unaware that 8 pairs of eyes have locked onto them from the distant tree line. This is the Druid Peak Pack, 10 strong, led by a 7-year-old alpha who has never been challenged. His name is Shadow. For 3 years, he has ruled without question. But today, everything changes. An elk bull fights back.
The attack!
Shadow goes for the kill, but the bull is ready. The antler finds its mark, deep, tearing muscle and sinew. In the wild, there is no mercy, no second chances, only survival. When the pack returns, they smell blood.
His blood!
And doubt begins. His mate of 4 years, Luna, faces an impossible choice: stand by him or protect the pack. The beta male is named Flint, younger, stronger, ambitious. He's been waiting for this moment. In wolf packs, eye contact is challenge, submission is survival. Shadow refuses to look away. Some still show respect, but loyalty in the wild is fragile. It bends to strength.
Flint makes his intention clear. He wants to lead.
Shadow answers. The pack is divided. Half follow strength, half follow legacy.
Luna must choose the father of her pups or the survival of the pack.
That night, temperatures drop to -20. Shadow sleeps alone. Wounded wolves don't survive these nights. But when dawn breaks, Shadow is still breathing, still fighting. The wound hasn't healed, but it hasn't worsened. He can stand. That's something. Flint decides to force the issue. If Shadow won't step down, he'll be taken down. But Shadow has ruled for 3 years. He didn't get here by backing down. Wounded or not, he will fight.
The challenge is answered.
Flint has youth and health, but Shadow has something more dangerous: desperation.
Flint targets the wound. A strategic killer.
But experience sees what youth missed. One move. That's all it takes.
Shadow could kill him. One bite. But that's not how alphas lead.
He releases him. The message is clear. Shadow is still alpha. Flint will remain beta, for now. But he's learned something about leadership. It's more than strength. Luna makes her choice. She chose right. One by one, the pack renews their loyalty. Shadow is alpha, not because he's the strongest.
This is the sound of a pack united. A family whole.
3 weeks pass. The wound heals. Slowly. But it heals.
Shadow learns to lead differently. Not from the front, but from the mind. Strategy over strength.
Luna and Flint do the killing now. Shadow does the thinking. And the pack is stronger for it.
He still eats first. Not because he demands it,
because they offer it. That's real leadership.
His pups are growing strong. They'll carry his bloodline, his legacy. Win or lose, Shadow has already succeeded. He teaches what fighting never could. Patience, strategy, survival. These are the lessons that matter. Shadow and Flint will never be friends, but they are partners now, each understanding their role.
The pack is whole, not because everyone is perfect, but because everyone has a place. He stands watch over his territory. Wounded, yes. In the wild, there are no guarantees, no promises, only the will to survive one more day.
Leadership isn't about being undefeated. It's about refusing to stay down.
They howl for many reasons. Territory, communication, family.
Winter will test them again. Challenges will come. But tonight, the Druid Peak pack sleeps together.
This is Shadow's story, but it's every Alpha's story. Every leader who refused to quit.